Hello students, welcome to Elga online class. Have you finished your Diwali purchasing? After Diwali, you have revision test. Okay? In this class, only revision. You can listen carefully and it is helpful for your test. Okay? Now go to the slide. Okay. Beginning sound. See the slide carefully, students. Circle the pictures with the same beginning sound. Okay. See the first one tomato, second one turtle, third one is mouse. What is the beginning sound? T. Tomato. Second one turtle, mouse. So the tomato and turtle have same beginning sound. So you have circle tomato and turtle. See the B one. First one is leg, second one is unlock, third one is up. Okay, leg. What is the beginning sound? L. Second one unlock. What is the beginning sound? Third one up. What is the beginning sound? So the unlock and up have same beginning sound. You have circled the picture unlock and up. See the C1. First one vegetables. What is the beginning sound? U. See the second one kettle. What is the beginning sound? K. Okay. See the third one. What is the beginning sound? U. So the vegetables and violin have same beginning sound. That sound is U. So you have circle vegetables and violin. See the third one. Zigzag. What is the beginning sound? Zigzag. Z. Yes. Second one zip. What is the beginning sound? Z. See the last one. What is the beginning sound? P. Pick. Okay. The zigzag and zip have same beginning sound. That sound is Z. Okay. You have circle zigzag and zip. See the E1. First one full. What is the beginning sound? Well, yes. Second one queen. What is the beginning sound? Qua. See the last one ring. What is the beginning sound? Ir. Yes, the full and queen have same beginning sound. You have circle full and queen. Next we see the next slide and check the correct answer. Yes, the best answer is tomato and turtle. The two pictures have same beginning sound. That sound is T. Next one unlock, up. Second answer is unlock and ups have same beginning sound. Next E1, C1 vegetables and violin have same beginning sound. That sound is U. Next D1 zigzag and zip have same beginning sound. That sound is Z. And last one quill and queen have same beginning sound. That sound is Qua. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Circle the pictures with the odd beginning sound. Odd means they given 3 pictures, students, but one is have different sound but two have same beginning sounds. Okay. See the first one. Car. That beginning sound. What is the beginning sound? Car. Ka. Second one cake. What is the beginning sound? Ka. The car and the cake, they have same beginning sound. Now see the third one. Fish. What is the beginning sound? Yes. That one is R. Car and the cake have same beginning sound but fish is different. So that one is R. See the B1. First one fan. What is the beginning sound? Second one gift. Okay. What is the beginning sound? G. See the last one. What is this? Frog. Fan and frog have same beginning sound. That sound is if. But gift have different. That sound is G. So that one is R. R. You have circled the picture gift. Okay. Now go to the C one. First one, fire. What is the beginning sound? Second one, elephant. What is the beginning sound? Last one, engine. What is the beginning sound? Elephant and engine have same beginning sound, but fire it's different. That sound beginning sound is F. Yeah, that one is R. You have circled the fire picture. Okay, see the D one. First one, horse. What is the beginning sound? Ha. Second one, car. What is the beginning sound? K. See the last one, hand. What is the beginning sound? H. Horse and hand have same beginning sound. So, car is different. That beginning sound is K. So, that one is R. Okay, you have circled the picture car only. Now go to the next one. Yes, the first one is R. Fish. That beginning sound if. Okay. Second one is gift. That one is R. Third answer is fire. Last one is car. Okay. Horse and hand have same beginning sound, but car is odd one. Okay. Now go to the next one. Color the words you hear. Color the words you hear. You can color the all words, students. Okay. Choose any color, but you have color all whole words. Okay. In this box. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Yes. Circle the beginning sound you hear. Circle the beginning sound you hear. See the first one. What is this? Nest. What is this? Nest. What is the beginning sound? Guess it? Yes, that beginning sound is N. You have circled the letter N. See the second one. What do you see in the second picture? Table. What is this? Table. What is the beginning sound? Guess it? T. So you have circled the letter T. Now go to the third one. See the third one. What is the beginning sound? Anyone guess it? What do you see in this picture, ma? Yes, queen. What is the beginning sound? Qu. You can circle the letter Q. Is that clear? Now go to the fourth one. See the fourth picture. What is this? Orange. Yes. What is the beginning sound? Guess it? Orange. A. So you can circle the letter O. See the fifth one. What is the beginning sound? Anyone guess it? What is this one? This is plant. What is the beginning sound? P. So you can circle the letter P. See the sixth picture. What is this? Umbrella. What is the beginning sound? Guess it? So you can circle the letter U. Now go to the seventh one. What is this? Star. What is this? Star. Okay, what is the beginning sound? We can circle the letter yes. Yes. Now go to the next one. What is this? Needle. What is the beginning sound? Guess it, ma? Yes, the letter. Name of the letter N, but the sound of the letter N. You can circle the letter N. Okay. See the last one. What is this? This is mat. What is the beginning sound? You can circle the letter M. Okay. Next we will check the answer. Yes, the first one is what is the beginning sound? N. Next one, table. The beginning sound T. So you can circle the letter T. Second one, queen. This is the beginning sound Q. You can circle the letter Q. Next one, orange. The beginning sound A. You can circle the letter O. Next one, plant. You can circle the letter P. Next one, umbrella. So you can circle the letter U. Next one, star. You can circle the letter S. Next one, N. You can circle the letter N. Next one, mat. Okay, you can circle the letter M. Students, now go to the next one. Whole words. Read the sentences and mark the words from the box in the same color. Okay. First I read the first sentence. This is my friend. Second one, Riya and I will go to school. C1, thank you all my friends. D1, can we say thank you to her? E1, I like oranges. Next one, this is me and my family. G1, I am singing a song. H1, we all are one. Okay. I1, I like your shirt. J1, I like all our pictures. Students, listen carefully. Read the sentences and mark the words from the box. See the box, first one, my. See the first one, first sentence. Where is the word my? This is. Yes, it comes after is, my. You can color the word in red. Okay. Now I show the next slide. You can get the clarified idea. Okay. This is my friend. See the next slide, students. Yes. Is that clear? See the first sentence. This is my friend. See the my word. Which color they color? Which color? My. Yes, we can color the word my in red. Okay. Color red color. You can color red. Next one. Riya and I will go to school. See the box. I color blue. So you can color it blue color. Okay. See the second sentence. You get color, get idea. See the third one. Thank you all. See the all box. They color yellow. So you can color yellow. My which color? Red color. So you can color red. Friends. Thank you all my friends. See the fourth one. Can we? We which color? Green color. You can color green. Say thank you to her. Okay. Now see the E1. I. What is the color I? Blue color. You can color blue. Next, like pink color. Like pink color. You can color pink color. I like oranges. Is that clear? Now go to the fifth one. This is me and my family. My which color? Yes, red color. You can color. You color it red. Okay. G1. I am singing a song. What's the color? Blue color. You can color it blue. I. Next, H1. We. Which color? Green color. You can color green. Next, all. Yellow. You can color it yellow. We all are one. Okay. I1. I. Which color? Blue. You can color it blue. Next one, like. I like your shirt. Like pink color. You can color it pink. I like your shirt. Okay. Now go to the J1. I. Which color? Blue. Like pink or yellow color. Okay. I like all our picture. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Match words with pictures. Match words with pictures. See the first one. First of all, I read the words. Next, we will see the picture. The first one is hat. Hat means kudisai vidu. Hat means kudisai vidu. Okay. Next one, happy. Happy means magilchi. Okay. Family, kudumbam. Building. It has many floors and many rooms and houses. Next one, houseboat. Next one, houseboat. A house which is made on the boat. Next one, dance. Next one, dance. The first word is hut. Listen carefully, students. You can match the words with correct pictures. Okay. First one is hut. Second one, happy. Third one, family. Fourth one, building. Next one, houseboat. Last one is dance. Okay. Now I say the first word, hut. Where is the word hut? Where is the picture hut? Yes. See the first one, family picture, and below hut. You can match hut. Okay. Now I show the slide. Next you can check the answer. Okay. Yes. Hut. First one they match it for hut. Second one, happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Next one, family. Family means kudumba. Next one, houseboat. See the slide carefully, students. They match it, houseboat. Last one, dance. The same, it has same place. Next one, building. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Letter sounds. Circle the pictures with the ending sound you hear. Okay. Now I say one ending sound. You can circle the pictures correctly. Okay. Let me start. See the first one. That first ending sound is s. S. The ending sound is s. Okay. See the first one. Now I told the beginning sound s. Okay. See the first picture. Umbrella. Is correct answer? No. Up. Beginning sound. P. No. Mix. The end sound is s. Yes, you can circle the picture. Mix. You can circle the picture. Mix. Is that clear? Okay. Now I say the second end sound. In. Okay. See the bureau. First one. First picture. See the first one. Sun. What is the end sound? Guess it. Sun. Yes. I told the end sound. You can circle the picture. Sun. Okay. See the next one. Watch. It has big end sound in no. See the next one. Rainbow. It has a end sound in no. Yes. The correct answer is first one. Sun. It has end sound in. You have circled the picture sun only. Okay. See the now go to the next one. Okay. P. The end sound is P. First one is top. Top. What is the end sound? Anyone guess it? P. Yes. See the second picture. What is this? Nest. What is the end sound? T. No, I told the end sound P. Listen carefully. Next one, mat. What is the end sound? T. But I told the end sound P. So which one is correct? First one. You can circle the picture top. Okay. Now we will check the answer. Yes. The first one answer is mix because I told the end sound. Second one. You have circled the picture sun. Okay. Next one P. I told the end sound P. You have circled the picture top only. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Circle the pictures with the ending sound you hear. Okay. Circle the pictures. The ending sound you hear. Okay. Listen carefully, students. Circle the pictures with the ending sound you hear. Now I say the one N sound. Listen carefully. Next you will circle the picture. Okay. In the first one, the N sound is N. Okay. The N sound is N. First one, sun. What is the beginning sound? N sound. N sound. In. Next, see the second picture. Watch. Watch. It has the N sound N. No. Rainbow. It has the N sound N. No. That is wrong. The first one is correct. The sun have the N sound in. So you have circled the sun picture only. See the B1. Okay. Now I say the N sound, students. Listen carefully. The N sound is P. N sound is P. Okay. See the first one. Top. What is the N sound? Guess it. Top. P. P. See the second one. Nest. What is the N sound? T. See the third picture. Mat. What is the N sound? T. But I told the N sound P. Yes, the first one is correct. It has the N sound P. You have circled the letter P. Is that clear? Okay. See the second question. Circle the pictures, the middle sound you hear. The first one, N sound. But second one, you hear middle sound. Is that clear? Now I say the middle sound. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. See the first one, rainbow. It has N sound A. No, that is wrong. See the second one, parrot. Parrot. It has the N middle sound A. No, that is also wrong. See the third one, net. The beginning sound N sound. Sorry, middle sound A. N sound T. So the correct answer is net. It has the middle sound A. So you have circle the letter, circle the picture net only. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Okay. Now I say the second one. The middle sound is E. The middle sound is E. Remember, the middle sound is E. Okay. See the first one. Watch. It has a middle sound E. No. Watch. No. That is wrong. See the second one. Mix. The beginning sound. Middle sound E. End sound S. Okay. So I think this one is correct. Yes or no? Yes. It has the middle sound E. Okay. Now go to the third one. Okay. Sun. What is the beginning sound? S. Middle sound End sound In. So it has a middle sound E. No. First one and last one also wrong. The correct answer is second one. Mix. Mix. It has the middle sound E. The beginning sound mix. Beginning sound Middle sound E. End sound S. So I told the middle sound E. So the correct answer is mix. Okay, students. Now we will check the answer. See the next slide. Yes, the first one answer is sun. The end sound is in. The first one answer is sun. Second one, I told the end sound P. So the correct answer is top. Is that clear? Now go to the second one. That is middle sound. I told the middle sound. The first one I told the middle sound A. So the correct answer is net. The B1 I told the middle sound E. So the correct answer is mix. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Yes. Color the words you hear. You also color the all words. Okay. You can color the all words. Is Is that clear, students? You can color all whole words. Now go to the next one. Match words with pictures. Match words with pictures. See the first one. See the first picture, students. What they are doing? They are draw something. Second one. See the second picture. What is this? Anyone guess it? Football. What is this? Football. Next, see the picture. Hockey stick and ball. This is hockey stick and ball. See the next one. What is this? This is bag. Bag. Okay. See the next last picture. Picnic. This is picnic picture. Okay. This is, they given picture and word also. You can match the words with correct picture. Match the words with correct picture. Okay. See the next slide. Okay. Yes. First one, draw. Where is the answer? D-R-A-W. They draw the line. Okay. Draw. Second one, football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Football. Okay. Next one, hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. Hockey. Next one, bag. B-A-G. Picnic. P-I-C-N-I-C. Picnic. Okay. See the slide carefully, students. In this slide, match the words with correct picture. Okay. First one is draw the line. See. Okay. Draw second one, football. Third one, hockey. Fourth one is bag. Next one is picnic. Okay. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Sequencing. What is the meaning sequencing? Arrange the things in correct order. Arrange the things in correct order. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. They given many picture. You have put the number in the correct sequence. Okay. I think this is ready for school. Ready for school. Okay. Which one is first? Bathing. Second one, dressing. Next, we are eating breakfast. Next, we are shoe. Next, wait for bus. Okay. Now, see the answer, students. The first one is bathing. Next one, dressing. Next, we are shoe. Next one, having breakfast. The last one is wait for school bus. Waiting for school bus. This is the correct answer, students. They given many pictures. You can arrange it correct sequence. Sequencing means arrange the things in correct order. Is that clear? Look at the slide carefully. Okay. Now go to the next one. Circle the pictures with the same beginning sounds. Circle the pictures with the same beginning sound. They given 4 pictures, students. We can find the same beginning sound pictures. Okay. See the first one, A1. First one is tiger. First one is tiger. What is the beginning sound? Ta. What is the beginning sound? Ta. See the second one, egg. What is the beginning sound? Guess it? A. Okay. See the third one. What is the beginning sound? Turtle. Ta. Okay. The beginning sound? Ta. See that last one? Ties. What is the beginning sound? Guess it? The. Yes. The first one, tiger, and third one, turtle, have same beginning sound. That sound is ta. So you have circled the picture, tiger and turtle. Tiger and turtle. Is that clear? Now go to the B1. Okay. See the B1. The first one is fan. What is the beginning sound? What is the beginning sound? Okay. See the second picture. Star. What is the beginning sound? S. What is the beginning sound? S. See the next one. Sun. What is the beginning sound? S. Okay. See the fourth one. What is this? Fox. What is this? Fox. What is the beginning sound? Yes. The first one fan and last fourth one fox have same beginning sound. That sound is, so you can circle fan and fox first. Second, star and sun also have same beginning sound. That sound is s. So you can circle star and sun picture. Is that clear? Okay. Now go to the C1. The first one is cap. What is the beginning sound? K. Okay. Second one, queen. What is the beginning sound? Q. Okay. Next one. What is the next one? Yawn. What is the beginning sound? Y. Okay. Next one, quilt. Next one, quilt. Okay. What is the beginning sound? Q. Okay. The queen and quilt have same beginning sound. That sound is Q. You have circled the picture. Queen and quilt. Queen and quilt. Is that clear? Now go to the D1. Okay. See the first one. Ring. First one. Ring. What is the beginning sound? R. The beginning sound. R. Second one. Gift. Second one. Gift. What is the beginning sound? G. Okay. Second one. Sorry. Third one. What is this? Rose. What is the beginning sound? R. Okay. Insect. Last one is insect. What is the beginning sound? E. What is the beginning sound? E. Yes, I think the first one, ring and rose, have same beginning sound. That sound is R. You can circle the ring and rose picture. Okay. Now go to the E1. Okay. First one, jam. What is the beginning sound? Jam. Second one, plant. What is the beginning sound? P. Okay. Next one, watermelon. Next one, watermelon. The beginning sound is V. V. Last one is parrot. Last one is parrot. What is the beginning sound? P. I think the parrot and plant have same beginning sound. That sound is P. You can circle the plant and parrot picture only. Okay. Now go to the next slide. Next we will check the correct answer. Okay. Yes, the first one is the tiger and turtle have same beginning sound. The B1, fan and fox have same beginning sound, and star and sun have same beginning sound. Next one, queen and quilt have same beginning sound. Next one, D. Ring and rose have same beginning sound. Last one is plant and parrot have same beginning sound. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Match words with pictures. Match words with correct picture. They given picture and word also. You can match the words with correct picture. Is that clear? First one is, now I read the words, students. Listen carefully. Milkman, baker, policeman. Next one, sweeper. Next one, clean. Last one is safe. Okay. Now see the next slide, students. Next you can get the answer. Yes. First one is milkman. See the picture carefully. They draw land. Okay. Next, policeman. Policeman, police car. Next, baker. Okay. Next one is baker. They draw line. See the slide carefully, students. Next one is sweeper. Next, clean. Draw the lines also. Listen carefully. Clean. Next, safe. Okay. Once again read this word. Milkman, baker, policeman, sweeper, clean and save. Okay. Now go to the next one. Naming birds. Naming birds. Circle pictures of naming birds. Circle pictures of naming birds. Students, say what is the definition of naming birds? Yeah. Name of the person. The place. An animal. A thing. The thing. This I include naming birds. Okay, naming words. A name of your person, a place, an animal, yeah, things. These are included naming birds. Okay. Now look at the slide, students. Circle pictures of naming words. Circle pictures of naming words. See the first one. First one is ant. First one is ant. Second one, net. Second one is net. Next one, third one is quilt. Okay. The first one, find it. Where is the naming word? First one is ant. Ant is an animal, yes or no? This is one kind of animal like insect. This is also naming word. You can circle ant also. Okay. Next, net. This is think. Yes or no? Yes. You can circle it. Okay. Next, quilt. This is also think. So you can circle it. In the first one, all are included naming words. Okay. See the second one. Play. This is included naming word? No, this is action. Play. Okay. King. Yes, name of a person. Yes, you can circle it. Sofa. Think. This is included naming word. Okay, you can circle. The second one, king and sofa included naming words. You can circle king and sofa picture. Next one, kite. It falls on think. Yes or no? Yes, it falls on think. You can circle it. Sleep. It falls on action. So that is not correct. Okay. Sleep falls on action. That is not correct. Next one, draw. That is also falls on action. Yes, the first one is also falls on naming words. Okay, the correct answer is kite one. It falls on think. Okay. Next one, happy. This falls on naming words. No. Study. No. So first and second one is also wrong. Last one, drum. Yes, it falls on naming words because drum also think. Okay. Now we will check the correct answer. See the next slide. Yes, the ant, net, quit also falls on naming words. The second one, king and sofa falls on a naming words. Kite, third one, kite only falls on naming words. Last one, drum only. Last, drum only falls on naming words. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Read the sentences and underline the naming words. Underline the naming words. Okay. Now look at the board, students. Students, now I do one exercise. Okay. Underline the read the sentences and underline the naming words. Okay. The first sentence, the sofa is a big. The sofa is a big. Find it. Where is the naming word? The correct answer is sofa. It falls on a thing. Yes or no? Sofa or thing? Yes. It is falls on a thing. Okay. Now see the next sentence. Look at the slide. Ram lives in a London. Ram lives in a London. Ram, name of a person, that also falls on the naming words. London, a place, so that is also falls on a naming words. Okay, the B sentence, Ram and London, also naming words. Third one, my mother like blue color. My mother like blue color. Okay, my mother, okay, name of a person, that is also falls on a naming words. I like to eat mangoes. I like to eat mangoes. In this sentence, mango falls on a naming words. Okay, you can underline the word mangoes. Next we will see the next slide and next see the correct answer. Yes, the sofa, okay, that falls on a naming words. Ram, the second sentence, Ram and London falls on a naming words. And my mother and color also falls on a naming words. Last one, mangoes falls on a naming words. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Yes. Circle the pictures of naming words. Circle the pictures of naming words. First one, dog, top. Last one is jump. Dog, animal. Top, thing. So you can circle the dog and top picture only. See the second one, sleep, that falls on action, so that is not correct. Wrong. Horse, animal, so that falls on naming words. Cake, thing, that is also falls on thing. So horse and cake also naming words. Okay. Last one, zoo, that is place. Okay, that is falls on naming words. Dance, that is also falls on action, that is wrong. Last one, house, that is also falls on naming words because that is place. Okay, next we see the answer, students. The first one is dog and top also falls on naming words. The second one, horse and cake also falls on naming words. The last, zoo and house falls on naming words. Next, match words with pictures. Match words with pictures. First one is music. First word is music. Second one is fair. Next, ice cream. Last one is ride. Now I saw the slide. Next we can check the answer. They draw lines, students. Match the words with correct answer. First one is ice cream. Next one, fair. Next, music, ride. Okay. See the slide carefully, students. Now go to the next one. Once again, music, fair, ice cream, ride. Okay. See the slide carefully. First one, they draw line, music. Where is the music? It is last. Next one is fair. Fair means park and entertainment place. Next one, ice cream. Last one is ride. Students, I hope all are understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me, and after Diwali you have test also. Prepare well, okay, and get more marks. Okay. I wish advance happy Diwali, students. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, students. Take care.